In this video, I'll show you how to upload an image on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this video basically is an educational video, and I'm going to show you how you can upload an image right here on Discord. What you're going to do basically, you're going to click on this plus icon, right? See the upload a file, create a thread, create a post. So I'm going to click on the upload a file. So we want to upload an image right here, right? So what you're going to do now, I'm gonna upload, let me say, this image, right? Click on open. Once I'm done, I'll click the enter button. You can see it's currently processing, right? So this image is currently loading up, so I'll give it a few seconds for it to load up, right? So here it goes. Boom, you can see our image just got uploaded right here. So this is how you can upload an image on Discord. If you find this helpful, share those below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next